In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a bank account in Etsy. This is an important step because Etsy needs a valid, verified bank account to send you your earnings. So we'll walk slowly through each part of the process together. First, sign into your Etsy account and go to your Shop Manager dashboard. This is the main control center for your shop, where you manage listings, orders, and finances. If you're already logged in, you can usually find the Shop Manager link at the top of the Etsy homepage. Once you're in the Shop Manager, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different sections. Here, you want to locate the option labeled Settings. Take a moment to find it, then click on it to open a set of additional options. Inside the Settings area, look for and click on Finances. This is where Etsy groups together everything related to your payments, billing, and earnings. When you click Finances, you'll see more specific financial options appear. Next, click on Payment Settings. This is the section where you manage how Etsy pays you, including your bank account details. If you already have a bank account on file, this is where it will be shown, along with options to update or change it. To verify your bank account, you'll usually need to update it or add it again, especially if Etsy is prompting you to verify. In the Payment Settings area, look for your existing bank details and the option to edit them. Here, we're going to treat it as if we are changing or re-entering the bank information to complete verification. Click on the Edit button next to your bank details. This will open up a form where you can enter your bank information. Click into the bank name field and type in the name of your bank. Make sure the spelling is correct and that it matches your actual bank. Then choose your account type. Etsy will typically give you a choice between a checking account and a savings account. Select the one that matches the account you want your deposits to go into. Next, click into the account number field and carefully enter your full bank account number. Double check this for accuracy, because even a single wrong digit can cause issues. After that, click into the bank code field and add the required code. Depending on your country, this could be a routing number, sort code, or another local bank identifier. Again, make sure this matches what your bank provides. When all the fields are correctly filled in, scroll down and click on Save and Verify Account. Etsy will then process the information you've entered. In many cases, this completes the verification, or Etsy may send a small test deposit to confirm details, depending on your region and their current policies. And that's it. You've walked through the process of verifying your bank account in Etsy so you can get paid smoothly.